It is here, in the shadow of the Chesapeake Bay Bridge, on the eastern seaboard of the United States, where a state-of-the-art manufacturing facility comprises the daily operations of PRS guitars. Everything you are going to see, the dedicated workforce of over 100 craftsmen and technicians, the factory and the wonderful guitars produced here, has happened through the vision of one very gifted guitar maker and company founder, Paul Reed Smith. This vision has taken PRS guitars from a little workshop in Old Annapolis to its pivotal position as a major manufacturer of fine electric guitars. Many friends have been made along the way, some of them legendary figures. Ted McCarty, longtime Gibson Guitars president and president of Bigsby Accessories.
I had been doing some consulting work with Paul from 1986, and during which time we worked together, and his company was growing and increasing in popularity. We formed a friendship and actually a period of real respect for each other, both his skill as a manufacturer and some of the skill that I had learned over the 61 years that I had been a manufacturer of guitars. Paul, with the help of some of his people, designed the guitar, and he told me that that guitar embodied all of the things that I had taught him during the years that we had been working together. The factory here has many of the newest and latest developments in manufacturing of guitars, which is borne out by the quality of the product.
Skilled designers and draftsmen of the Research and Development Department at PRS utilize the latest design and 3D CAD software programs in designing a guitar. This computer technology ensures product consistency, facilitates design innovation, and improves construction methods. It is here where newly born ideas for product lines and one-of-a-kind private stock guitars are first brought to life. A great electric guitar starts with a great wood. PRS has a large supply of wood from all over the world, a highly prized stock of curly maple, swamp ash, hard maple, mahogany, and Indian rosewood. This vast stockpile of exotic and traditional wood is the envy of the industry. Paul Reed Smith even has his own private stash of specially selected tone woods for limited-run guitars. Prior to introduction to the wood shop, all wood is rough cut and entered into drying rooms for curing. Fine wood gives a guitar great tonal ability and resonance. Many top-name guitarists, such as Carlos Santana, play PRS guitars. The rough-cut blanks are then planed, glued, and ultrasonically dried. Custom-designed computerized milling machines are programmed to ensure total consistency, speed, and quality in the process of precision cutting and shaping of the wood guitar tops, bodies, necks, and headstocks. These CNC machines are the cutting edge in production line wood milling technology. The individual precision raw wood elements are then meticulously hand and machine sanded prior to finishing. Fretting and inlay work is done mostly by hand. Inlay materials and the inlay slots are precision cut to ensure exact fit and flushness. Fret slots are cut by a custom-designed fret saw. The frets are then hand-fitted and filed by skilled craftsmen. Texas guitarist David Grissom of Storyville on why PRS guitars are particularly suited to his style of play.
It's become synonymous to me with the way I play guitar. I learned, I developed my style of guitar playing these things. Playing this guitar, it's kind of like an open canvas, you know, whatever. There's no preconception about how it's supposed to sound. You know, I've recorded with them on everything I've ever worked on. The new guitars coming out of the factory now are definitely the best guitars that Paul's ever made.
Among PRS guitars' most noted claims to fame are its finishes. Highly skilled applicators use special stains in a variety of methods to achieve colors that other guitar companies can only hint at replicating. Clear coat applicators spray top coats as thin as possible to enhance the wood's tonality and to visually stimulate the guitar's finish. Finish sanding and buffing is a critical stage in the success of an individual guitar's beauty. Skilled hands must delicately perform the task without buffing through the thin finish. Tim Mahoney, the prolific guitarist of the band 311, shares his feelings on why he plays PRS.
It just is really the right guitar for me, and I just always felt comfortable with them. So I've been playing them for the last 5 years, I guess, and it just becomes an extension of my human body and of my brain and of my soul. It's just a very versatile guitar that sounds beautiful and really sings. When you can just flow and play, and you need the right kind of guitar to do that. I'm holding on to every single one. I love every one I have, and every album I've recorded I've used Paul Reed Smith on. I wouldn't still be playing them if they weren't the greatest guitar in the world for me.
Once properly dried and inspected, the guitar is now ready to move into the final assembly stage. All elements, including custom-made PRS pickups, electronics, and hardware, are carefully assembled like a fine watch. The finished instrument is then checked over, play-tested by a musician technician. Then the guitar is inspected one more and final time prior to being ready for shipment. Paul Reed Smith Guitars, where the art of craftsmanship meets the technology of manufacturing every day to produce some of the world's best electric guitars.
This is our McCarty model. The McCarty model was born from things that David Grissom, one of our endorsers from Texas, wanted in a guitar. He wanted a guitar that sounded like Duane Allman live at the Fillmore. And it turns out all the things he was asking for were the same things that Ted was teaching me about what he had done in the 50s. The guitar has a thicker body, a Michigan maple top, a McCarty bridge that's intonated from modern strings, pickups very similar or almost exactly the same, really, as what Ted made in the 50s, a lightweight headstock, a neck built for tone and a big, strong feel, and a faded sunburst. We're very proud of this guitar. It's a favorite of our artists. The Custom is the core of our line. It's really the instrument that we've become known for. You can get them with many options. A Custom 24 comes with a tremolo, HFS treble pickup, and vintage bass pickup. You can get it with a regular neck or a wide thin neck, and you can get it with the moon inlays or the bird inlays. Also, you can get it in 10 top or regular top, and in a variety of colors. We have a big rainbow of colors. You should look in the catalog to see what they are. The Custom 22 comes with Dragon pickups from our original Dragon line and a stop tailpiece. Now, on either of these guitars, you can get the other bridge. On a Custom 22, you can order it special with tremolo, or on a Custom 24, you can order it special with stop tail. The Custom 22 has either a wide fat neck or a wide thin neck. You can get it with 10 top, bird inlays, or even a semi-hollow option. This is our Santana model. It really is the original PRS guitar design from about 1980. It's the guitar Carlos has become known for. It has his sound. And over the years, we've gotten a lot of phone calls asking for the guitar that Carlos plays. It has the original body and deep carve, a 24.5-inch scale, Santana pickups, abalone bird inlays, a wide fat neck. And you know, Carlos for years played the original guitars I made him in the old shop. And now he's retired them, and he's using this model right off the line, and we're very proud of that. This is our Swamp Ash Special. It's a new guitar for us and one of the most requested guitars we make. It has 2 McCarty pickups and a Seymour Duncan vintage rails in the middle. It also has a special wiring. When you pull up the tone control, it puts in the vintage rails and makes the bass pickup single coil. It comes with a curly maple neck or a bird's eye maple neck and fingerboard, and it has a Swamp Ash body. CEs come in both 22 fret and 24 fret models. They have a mahogany body, a curly maple top, and they come in tremolo or stop tailpiece. CEs are made with the same parts, built by the same craftsmen, have the same quality as our customs. But because of the bolt-on design, it enables the guitar to be less expensive. The Artist Series really is the best of the best for us. The Artist Series 3 has POWA inlays and POWA purfling. Artist Series 4 has 14-karat solid gold birds that are etched from end to end. It's really the old art of scrimshaw done with a computer. There's about 10,000 lines, and you have to get real close to really appreciate it, but it's very beautiful. We use our best woods on the Artist Series, and we have special colors. You know, we have very talented people at PRS, and this is a place where they can really show off how skilled they are. Each guitar comes with a certificate, and I personally sign off on each guitar.
Quality of the PRS is right up there at the very top.
I think everything they've designed to date is a great model. Paul Reed Smith is the right kind of guitar.
Well, I play PRS because they're the best.
I hope you've enjoyed this brief look at our guitars, the factory where we make them, and some of the very talented musicians who are inspired to make music with them. These people and many, many others form a team who have helped my company grow from a small attic workshop in the early 80s to its present position as a major producer of some of the world's finest electric guitars. My goal has always been to produce a great guitar, a guitar that pushes forward the boundaries of quality and tone, but still feels as friendly as your favorite t-shirt. If you already own a PRS guitar, you will know about our commitment to quality. If you're thinking about it, I urge you to go to your local PRS dealer and try one for yourself. I promise we will continue to make the best guitars our art will allow.
PRS Guitars offers a full line of accessories. Great tees, caps, gig bags, and strings are just some of the items offered from the factory store and are also available to order from our PRS website. Check out the latest models from PRS. www.prsguitars.com gives you the in on what's new.